In this video, we'll be showing you how we connect a Bluetooth speaker to our Samsung Smart TV. First thing we need to do is go on the home page of our TV and select the Settings option. Then we will select All Settings. Upon opening the All Settings option, we will then scroll down and select Sound. Now, within the Sound menu, we're going to select Sound Output. Here, this is going to list all of the different options we have for the sound outputs, and we're going to want Bluetooth speaker list. However, before we select that option, we want to make sure that our Bluetooth speaker is turned on and in the pairing mode. So we will go ahead, power on our device, and enable Bluetooth pairing on our speaker. So once our speaker is in the pairing function, we can then go back to the TV and select Bluetooth speaker list. Now here we see that our speaker does pop up, so then we will select that option and then press pair and connect. It's going to take a couple of seconds here to make that connection, but once it does connect, our TV shows connected right there. So what is really cool about this is that we can also control the volume of this Bluetooth speaker with our regular TV remote, as you see we are doing here. Now we'll also show you a quick example on a video, so before we get to that, we will exit out of these menus just by pressing the back button until we can get to our regular TV screen. Okay, so now with this video, we will show you how the volume works. We'll go ahead and lock the stapler open, allowing us to add more. Okay, so with the stapler locked in place, we can now grab our brand new staples. So as you can see, we do make adjustments with the TV remote and adjust the Bluetooth speaker. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.